So, this is the big sound check. If you want to get the big sound check, if you want to get the upper marks, you need to be doing this. So, unmute and turn your faders up. This is standard. Everyone make sure that they do this. But in this particular video, we're going to be using the groups. We're also going to be using the phase shift. And the phase shift just slightly alters the sound of stuff. If you've got a little bit of feedback, try hitting the phase button. It's a little circle with a line through it, and it's just below the phantom switch at the top of the
Okay,
mixing
can I get
desk.
kick drum, please?
PFL, gain it up, gain it up. Standard, standard. Here comes the difference. Hit 1 and 2, not left and right. Pan left so that it goes to group 1 only. You'll see in a second. Unmute the group. Turn group 1 up. All of the drums will be going to this group.
Give me some heavy
Very
kick drums
important.
as well.
Now you can hear it. Goes channel to the group. The group goes to the master faders.
And a couple of double tap kick drums. Couple of double tap kick drums.
The advantage of having the group is it means we can turn all the drums down in one go. You will see this illustrated in a bit. Snare. Again, gain it up, get that high pass filter in. Don't forget. There, high pass filter is in. Group 1 and 2, pan left
And
for
can I
group 1,
get a
odd
couple
for
of rim
left.
shots?
There you go. You can see it metering on the group just above the red fader. You can see it lighting up. It means it's getting into the group.
And some
There you go. He's doing the effects. I'm muting the effects. Turning that up. Taking the high end off.
Okay. And can I get the hi-hat, please?
Remember, phantom for the hi-hat. Red switch at the top. Gain. Routine. 1 and 2. Left. There it is. See it get into group 1. Look at the center of the console. Get all of that low end stuff out.
And can I get the rack tom, please?
There you go. It's BFL. Gain. High pass filter. Pan left. He's going to put an insert in. He's going to put a gate over the rack tom. See that happen.
And
Now he's going to run off and adjust the gate.
Please?
Listen carefully. That was him
That's
adjusting
great.
the threshold.
And can I get the floor tom, please?
PFL. Gain. Routing. Pan left. Groups 1 and 2. Up. Here you go. He's putting a gate across it. Look at him point. Look at him put it in. The insert. Look at the video for the insert. Now he's going to run off and mess around with that gate controls. You can't see it, but you can watch the other video and you can see exactly how you need to change these things. Slower.
That's great. And can I get the ride, please?
We are not doing the ride. So I shall talk to you in this brief interlude. So remember, those 5 drums you have routed to that one fader. The red fader has kit below it, so we can control the 5 drums with that one fader.
That's great. Can I get the bass, please?
Okay, this time, what we're going to do is send the bass to the 2 faders marked line 3 and 4. We are going to keep the bass pan centrally because we want it to go to both fader 3 and 4. You might ask why. The reason is because...
And can you run through any other pedals you got with the bass? Just give me a selection of all the different sounds you got.
The reason is because we are also going to send the guitars to those two faders. But in the normal scenario where we have two guitars, we would like to pan them. So by keeping groups 3 and 4 panned hard left and hard right to the master faders, it means that we can pan a guitar between the two groups. But with the drums, which is group fader 1, kit, red fader, we would keep that pan centrally. Because obviously we want the drums to come out of both speakers. Oh, it sounds like a synth again. It sounds like a
And
synth.
back to normal bass.
Oh, it's bass, isn't it? Oh, I thought it was guitars, but it's bass.
That's great, cheers. And can I get the stage right guitar, please?
So, solo, gain, HPF. Okay, now we're going to route it to 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Unleash, up. Let's get into 3 and 4. Those two faders. See if I drop the faders, turn the faders up, that it changes.
And can I get the money shot, please, with the distortion?
Bit of EQ. That's polarity switching. That's the switching of polarity. Does it change sound? Not really. But when everything's playing, try it sometimes. It might just work. It might just make it sound better. Doing monitors via the 4 auxes, 4 monitors on stage. To the reverb unit.
And have you got any other sounds?
Next, he's going to send it to the delay. That's guitar going to the slapback. The delay. Send there, comes back on the blue fader. There you go. That goes to group 3 only. Left, right, left, right. You can see it go between group 3 and 4.
Okay, that's great.
Messing around with the delay.
And can I get the stage left guitar, please?
That's the delay again.
Okay, is there any chance you could just take a touch of presence off of it? Cheers.
Ooh, who's that man with the ginger hair?
Yep, and have you got any other sounds? Can I just hear those, please? Yeah, that's good.
C.
And
When he
can I
pans,
get the
nothing
stage
happens
right
because
vocal
groups are
first,
panned.
please?
We're panned essentially.
On your vibes.
That was the thing. He panned the vocal right. Meant it went to group 2, the word fader with the V below it. Red fader with the V. Now compressor. Compressor is going to go in over the vocal. Watch the compressor video in a minute. He's going to go and mess around with that compressor now. You'll hear it change and do stuff.
Please.
Lick my wounds with salty tongues. Oh, baby, I'm too young. Lick my wounds with salty tongues. Ooh, baby, I'm too young. Take it easy, boy. Oh, be cool. Last thing you want is to blow this chance.
Top end. Cool, look at him. He's using his right arm now.
Play it cool.
Ooh, he's putting a bit of delay on and reverb. Remember, always to check gains, adjust gains slightly. If you take loads of EQ out, you might have to put a bit more gain in. Monitors, adjusting the 4 monitors to go to stage. 4 monitors, look at him, point them out.
Running circles through my head. Tell me now, who are you? Go make my dream come true.
That's great. Thanks. And can you give me a quick half song just so we can check what your monitors are like?
True mark of a great engineer, right in, slap. There's a kick drum, there's a snare, there's a hi-hat, there's a tom.
Lights they flicker in my eyes.
There's the effects coming in, makes it 3D, sound like it's in a room.
No inner feeling, no surprise.
What's he up to now? No drums. Drums come back in. No bass, no guitars. There they go, back in.
I'm high on your vibes.
That's a bit of EQ. Sound quite subtle. Reverb again. Bit more vocals. Sub and bass guitar.
Vocal slightly less than mine, please. My vocal up in mine. A little bit, please. Sorry, you want your set vocal, yeah? Yeah, please, yeah.
Can I get a little bit more drums?
A little bit more drums, yeah. Like in the next one, yeah. A bit more stage right vocal, yeah, no problem. Okay, just give me a second to do that.
Pointing out the pans. Remember, pans deduce what group it goes to. Centrally panned only goes to 3 and 4, or goes to 1 and 2. If it's over to the left, it goes to 1 and 3. Over to the right, it will go to 2 or 4.
Lights they flicker in my eyes. No inner feeling, no surprise.
Extra marks, remember, using the compressor and gates will gain you extra marks.
Ooh,
the hood plus the leg would be nice and well. Come on. Just ingredients a cake, which is all a mixing desk is. A mixing desk is nothing more than a cake machine. Goodbye.